Hi everybody, Mick Labinskas here. Just a little bit more talking about climate and AI. I'm here at Macquarie University. The unit I'm studying as a part of my Masters is environmental law. And New Scientist actually had an article about an article from the future, from 2035, talking about an AI engine which was able to navigate the mass complexities of AI policy of the world and help get the world to a nature positive position by aggressively or helpfully helping corporates to navigate and understand where they might be violating, etc. And it's a really interesting point around we've got this enormous challenge and huge complexity of trying to adjust almost the whole world, at least slightly, whether it's building materials, fuels, energy, transport grids, data, insurance, etc. There's a lot to change, and it's going to be very difficult for everyone. So whether you're implementing it or whether you're trying to actually incentivize big corporates to change, using AI to navigate those massively complicated systems of you've got different levels of government, different international treaties, different international regulations as well. And for an individual who might be implementing that within a larger company, that's going to be very, very difficult, or basically impossible to be able to research and understand that for a single moment in time, let alone something that's going to change massively over the next 10 years. So I think actually sometimes when we think about climate and AI, we're thinking about really incredible big alchemy level changes in battery chemistry or in algae or in grid optimization, but we might but I think a big part of climate AI benefits is going to be actually from individuals within bigger companies using AI to help them navigate this transition. Because again, very, very complicated, very, very quick change. And again, sometimes I think that will be when they're being proactive and taking positive steps. And I think sometimes it will be actually also finding violations and non-compliance. So yeah, some interesting thoughts there that have come out of New Scientist and the legal side in terms of AI and climate. So it's thoughts for me. So look, would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you're in sustainability, if you're working in climate, how are you using AI to do your daily task, and how's that changed your job? How's that changed the way you work? And what's your thoughts on how that's going to change in the future?